Otasansan Radio and TV.
Ìrẹ́jẹ ńlá gbà ni èyí. K1 wà nínú yàrá rẹ̀ tó ń gbádùn lọ́wọ́. K2 wà ní ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n níbi tó ti ń jẹ ẹ̀wà tí kò jiná. Ẹlòmíì ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ṣé tálíkà nìkan ló wáyé ìyà ni? Ẹlòmíì tún sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n ní òfin tí a bá torí rẹ̀ ṣe kò yẹ kó òfin tá a bá torí ẹrú ṣe kò yẹ kó dórí ọmọ kó wá dúró. Comfort kò hùwà agbésùnmọ̀mí bíi ti K1 the ultimate. Ṣé torí pé Comfort jẹ́ ọmọ mẹ̀kúnnù tí kò sì mọ àwọn aláṣẹ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ló jẹ́ kó dèrò Kirikiri àbí báwo? Ọba dákẹ́dájọ́ ó ń wo kó wá wá o, ẹ̀já ṣayé ká ṣayé rẹ̀. Èyí ni àwọn messages tí àwọn èèyàn fi ń ṣọwọ́ sí wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí èrò àti òye tiwọn lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Comfort àti àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ bàálù Ibom Air tí ó fi di wípé wọ́n ń jára wọn sí òwò. Pé ẹni tán wá já sí òwò náà ló tún wá padà di èrò àtìmọ́lé, èrò ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ní Kirikiri. Kí n má bàa pọ̀ lọ́rọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ mọ́díò yẹn wá fún yín ká kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ ká tó wá tẹ̀síwájú. Ẹ má ti lọ o.
I wanted to drop a message at your Facebook. I actually dropped a message on your Facebook regarding to this Ibom flight saga. But I just noticed that I could actually send a message to this your WhatsApp number. I don't know if it's the right one to do, but let me just say something in regards to this air flight stuff. Honestly speaking, that lady did not do up to 10% of what I would have done if I were in her shoes. I don't want to elongate the matter. I'll just give you direct to the point where the truth is those people posted what they want everybody to see. They posted the narrative, like they created and painted the narrative that they want people to see, so people could actually pity them, or I don't know how to put it. So you grab this lady was not insultive, she was not rude, she was not, like, I don't even know the word to put. The whole issue started from the air hostess. That lady is power drunk. If there's anything like that, that is the word I can use right now. That lady is power drunk. Like, she's all this kind of Nigerian elders that want everything they say to be done the way they said it, how they want it, when they want it. Because tell me the reason you went to meet somebody. Mind the way I was on the flight. How do you go and meet somebody and say, "Hey, off your phone"? And the person's like, sorry, my phone is on flight mode. I'm actually just scrolling through my videos and editing videos. And the next thing you could raise your voice is, all these useless children, all these people with no respect. Do I look like your mate? Do I do this? Do I do that? And the lady is still come and telling you, but I've told you I've off it. The lady is even trying to show you, took the phone, smashed it on the floor. Excuse me. She kept quiet. Now, on coming down, okay, fast forward to when you run abuses on her, people are even trying to tell you, madam, you don't do it. They tell us so that they won't bring the plane down. Hello. Okay, the lady has kept her phone now. She kept the phone. You ran her pieces. Now it's time to highlight from the, what is it called? The plane. You blocked her, saying you have caused security on her. People are asking you what happened. Okay, the lady is trying to call, you will push her away. She's trying to pass, you will push her away. He's saying everybody, other person should pass. See, it's a part that they wanted the country to see. That is what they posted on. The truth be told, when those security people came, do you know what happened? That cake was very, very quiet. From the dragging of clothes to the slapping, that air hostess literally slapped that lady. The lady did not even raise her. It's not me, not be this way they say. I forbid her first man, I know say see what I really do. You smashed on the floor, pushed on the floor so people could step on her and pass, and you denied her. Then when people are trying to Okay, the security persons came, and there was a pastor in the board that was trying to like, you guys should calm down. This is not what happened. And the next thing that you could cover from your mouth was that you want me to use the man as what is it called, as a example. Whether you want me to use the man as an example, whether not two of them plan to come bring down the people. Hello! You insulted the lady. You slapped her. You even went ahead to call her prostitutes and the rest of things. Guy, please, is there a way that you guys could actually, I beg, see, if you get what I don't know, I want to take, if you feel do this, my voice must make people hear them, and I beg, I go happy well. But the truth is this, for me to come out, it go hard me because in Nigeria matter, you know, see they be, especially how they take do this girl we do NYSC. So after voicing out at the end of everything, the 77K was being paid. Now they didn't give her NYSC. So I just somehow enter your DM, tell you, well, if you guys will take that, may you drop. Because the truth is that it was that hair hostess and the hair hostess now evil winch working on, God, it is well on.
tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé tẹ́ ẹ bá rántí wípé mo ti ṣe ètò kan, mo ti sọ̀rọ̀, mo ti mú wá fún yín lórí bí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀hún ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ gan láti bẹ̀rẹ̀, láti ìlú Uyo tí bàálù yẹn ti gbéra títí tí wọ́n fi délùú Èkó níbi tí bàálù yẹn ti ń já àwọn èrò tó wà nínú bàálù. ṣùgbọ́n oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn ni wọ́n ń fi èrò àti ìwòye wọn ṣọwọ́ sí wa, pàápàá jùlọ lórí bí ilé ẹjọ́ ṣe sọ wípé kí Comfort kó máa lọ sí àtìmọ́lé lọ́gbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ní remand nínú ọgbà tónirọ ìyẹn correctional center tó wà ní Kirikiri nílùú Èkó. kí làwọn èèyàn ń wí, kí làwọn èèyàn ń sọ, á mú wá fún yín lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ tá a sì fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí a jọ gbọ́. ṣùgbọ́n lórí ètò tí mo ṣe ní ọwọ́ àárọ̀ lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn, mo mú wá fún yín wípé ẹni tí í ṣe alákòóso ní iléeṣẹ́ tó ń rí sí ìrìnnà ọkọ̀ òfurufú lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà, Ministry of Aviation, ẹni tí í ṣe mínísítà lábẹ́ iléeṣẹ́ yẹn, ìyẹn Barrister Festus Keyamo, mo ní ó sọ jáde, ó fi léde wípé lóòótọ́ a mọ̀ wípé bí arábìnrin yẹn ṣe kò bójúmu, kò dá lóòótọ́, ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá bẹ́ràn wí ó yẹ ká bẹ́ràn náà wí. àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ iléeṣẹ́ Ibom Airline àwọn náà ṣàbúrú, àwọn náà ò ṣe dáa bí wọ́n ṣe kámẹ́rà ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn tí wọ́n tún wá kámẹ́rà ìhòòhò arábìnrin yẹn Comfort tí wọ́n tún wá gbé jáde. mínísítà ó ní iléeṣẹ́ Ibom Air pé wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ pèsè òṣìṣẹ́ wọn tó fídíò tó ṣe kámẹ́rà fídíò yẹn tó gbé jáde, ẹni tó gbé fídíò yẹn jáde pé wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ wá jáde. ṣùgbọ́n a tún ti wá padà rí ìròyìn míì tó jáde láti iléeṣẹ́ Ibom Air tí wọ́n fi ń sọ wípé àwọn ò mọ̀ nípa ẹni tó gbé fídíò jáde o, torí pé kì í ṣe òṣìṣẹ́ àwọn ni ó gbé fídíò yẹn jáde sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára tó fi di wípé ó wá ń tàn káàkiri àgbáláyé. bóò ló ṣe jẹ́, bóò ló ṣe lọ, ìròyìn gbé, kí ni ìròyìn kọ, ẹ jẹ́ kí n mú wá fún yín. ìròyìn ní the management of Ibom Air said the airline did not release the widely circulated video showing a passenger stripped naked while being dragged off an aeroplane. The group manager, marketing and communications at Ibom Air, Anikan Eshienete, made this known in response to the controversy that has gripped social media platforms. In an interview with TVC News on Monday, Ms. Eshienete said while the video was recorded on board the plane, it was neither filmed nor shared by Ibom Air staff. The video was recorded on the plane, but there were several people on board who were not Ibom Air employees. Anyone could have taken it She said, and I quote, "I can tell you categorically that Ibom here did not release the video. We do not condone such incident exposure, and it is unfortunate that video has gone viral." The incident took place on 3rd August after the passenger allegedly refused to switch off her electronic device in defiance of Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority (NCAAN) safety regulations mandating total device shutdown during flights. The Ibom Air official said the pilot in command was compelled to call security after the passenger resisted disembarking, which led to the crew restraining her to ensure a safe removal. "Our crew had to restrain her to ensure security could escort her off the plane," she explained. The intervention came amid a rising wave of public outrage over the incident, which has sparked debate about passengers' rights, airline conduct and aviation security in Nigeria. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tá a tún rí, ohun tá a tún gbọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ tó jáde láti iléeṣẹ́ Ibom Air tí ọ̀rọ̀ kàn lórí pé àní ta ló ṣe kí ni o, ta ló gbé fídíò yẹn jáde, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ wá síta fún wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí àṣẹ tí iléeṣẹ́ tó ń rí sí ìrìnnà ọkọ̀ òfurufú lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n fi síta òun nìyẹn. Ká wá mú èrò àti ìwòye àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ká wá mú wá fún yín lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn tí wọ́n fi ń ṣọwọ́ sí wa. Mr. Azeez Rilwan àwọn ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, ìrẹ́jà ńlá gbà ni K1 the ultimate wà nínú yàrá rẹ̀ tó ń gbádùn lọ́wọ́. K2 wà ní ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n níbi tí ó ti ń jẹ ẹ̀wà tí kò jiná tí kò láta. Mufliat Musa àwọn ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ṣé tálíkà nìkan ni kò ráyé wá ni. Ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí fi hàn wá wípé òfin tí ẹ ṣe kò bá olówó rárá. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wọ́n já sí ìhòòhò tán, ẹ tún wá ní kó máa lọ ṣe ayé rẹ̀ lọ́gbà ẹ̀wọ̀n. Adéyẹmí Azeez àwọn ní òfin tí a bá torí ẹrú ṣe kò yẹ kó dórí ọmọ kó dúró. Comfort kò hùwà agbésùnmọ̀mí bíi ti K1, ṣé torí pé Comfort jẹ́ ọmọ mẹ̀kúnnù tí kò sì mọ àwọn aláṣẹ Nàìjíríà kankan ló jẹ́ kó dèrò Kirikiri àbí? Eléyìí lágbára o. Ọláwálé Ọlánrewájú àwọn ní òfin tó mú eégún kò mú ẹlẹ́hà mọ́ ní Nàìjíríà tá a wà yìí, kí oníkálukú máa ṣọ́ ara rẹ̀ ní báyìí o. Mr. Benson Ọlájọgbé àwọn ní justice for Comfort. Mrs. Aremu Bilikisu Bọ́láńlé àwọn ní kò ní ẹnìkan ṣùgbọ́n ó ní Ọlọ́run. Mr. Kọ́lá Jímọ̀ àwọn ní ajúra wa lọ o, tìjàkadì kọ́ lọ́rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà báyìí. Aremu Ahmad àwọn ní ǹjẹ́ K1 ń bá àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ jà ni tàbí ó fọ́ ẹnìkan nínú wọn létí? Ó yẹ kí a máa ṣe àyẹ̀wò ìwé àwọn òfin wa wọ̀nyí ká tó máa sọ̀rọ̀. Omígadé Afúwàpẹ́ àwọn ní Nàìjíríà láwà, ó lójú àwọn tófin máa ń mú nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Mr. Saheed Gbópọ̀ọ́lá àwọn ní ẹ̀dájọ́ tí yóò jẹ́ kí ẹ rí ọ̀run rere wọ̀ o, ẹ̀yin adájọ́ wa. Oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn náà ni wọ́n ti ń fi èrò àti òye tí wọ́n ṣọwọ́ sí wa lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn, pàápàá jùlọ bí ilé ẹjọ́ ṣe sọ wípé pàṣẹ pé kí Comfort kó wà ní àtìmọ́lé lọ́gbà ẹ̀wọ̀n, tí K1 the ultimate tí wọn ò ṣe nǹkan kan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ títí ẹ̀. Ẹ fi èrò àti òye tiyín ẹ fi ṣọwọ́ sí wa láàyè comment nísàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí, á kà á sì ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò rẹ̀. Ohun tá a bá tún gbọ́, ohun tá a bá tún rí lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ méjèèjì yìí, á mú wá fún yín tí a sì jọ gbọ́. Ẹ bá ní pín o, ẹ bá ní share rẹ̀ kó lè káàkiri àgbáláyé. Ẹ ṣé o, àdúpẹ́. àmọ̀rírì yín.